Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we will be working on an 8x10 that I have covered with the pillow paint. We're going to do the bloom technique, but different. So I have all my colors mixed up and they were left over from a prior project, and I am going to just dump them in this cup all together with the white topper and the black topper. And then instead of doing a flip cup like I did a week ago or whatever, we're going to pour it out in ribbons and then kind of maybe tilt it a little and then spin it and see what happens. Because one of my amazing followers has suggested that I kind of experiment with that more. So because the flip cup was really cool, so let's see what else we can do and see where that goes. So I guess I should just mix these up and then come back to you. How about that? I will be right back. All right, I decided I want you to see what I'm doing. So I just moved that whole spinner off and I have put the black topper in here, and now I'm gonna put a few of the colors down, then I'm gonna put the white topper and put the rest of the colors down. So here we go. All right, I think I'm gonna put the white one down now. Just all of it. Why not? Going out of town again, so might as well use it up because it doesn't keep very well. The toppers don't anyway. The colors do pretty good. It just depends. It gets really hot in here when I'm gone. All right. I didn't go over the colors that I have, did I? So let's do that real quick. This is Sunflower and Arteza Gold. So it's primary element sunflower mixed with some Arteza Gold. Just get that in here. Yeah, this could be a complete disaster. I have no idea. So also, two more primary elements. This one is called Northern Lights, and it shimmers from like a blue-green or a greenish blue to a purple. This one is a primary element called Douglas Fir. It's the green. And then I am also using the Arteza Phthalo Green and Phthalo Blue. All right, so here we have it. Let's get this spinner back in here with the canvas. All right, looks good. All right, so I'm just gonna start pouring this out. Kind of putting the black topper that's coming out last kind of on the colors also. Of course, the white was the topper or cell activator also. Scraping it out. Why not? This is an experiment. I can't do it wrong because it's an experiment. All right, so first pop any bubbles that you see, because those come back to bite you later. And now we have to decide, should I leave it sitting here for a minute, or should we just go ahead and tilt it or spin it? Maybe tilt it a little. What do you think? Tilt it a little. Then we'll spin it. Let's go this way. Okay. Trying to secure my canvas here. Yeah. I don't know. Kind of wanting to spin it. All right, let's spin it. First we gotta center it. Okay. There we go. Some of the paint's flying off. All right, let's go back the other direction. Not getting as much still action as I thought we would. Interesting. I wonder if I swiped it, what would happen? Let's get a card. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, I don't seem to be able to find my deck of playing cards, so I'm just gonna use some old mail. Some mail, junk mail that I just got today. So I'm just gonna do it. I don't know any other way to do it than just do it. All right. I would pretty much call this an epic fail. It's definitely epic. Yeah, I don't even know what to say at this point. I'm gonna finish spinning it out, but seriously. Oh, just took nothing a minute. All right, well, there it is. I'm gonna bring you on for a close-up. Be right back. All right, well, here it is. 1 minute, I hate it. And the next minute, I think it's okay. So I don't know. It is very weird. Very, very weird. But it was fun to experiment. So, you know, they can't all turn out. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.